Hello students, this is Rakhi Chibbar for Java programming. In this session of my video, you are going to learn basically downloading and installation of JDK from our Oracle website, as well as setting of the path to the JDK for the compilation of program, and finally the execution of the compiled program. So welcome you all for my class. Students, this is a session for installing JDK and creating a Java program and compilation of that Java program, as well as the execution of the Java program using the JDK only. So this video will be having complete process of compilation of program started from downloading of JDK. So I will show you all steps practically also. So go with it. So there is actually two approaches for using Java. One is hard work and smart work. What is the difference between the hard work and smart work? That hard work means that you have to do all the Java path establishment, creation of program, compilation and execution of Java program by your own. But in smart work, it means we are using the IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment, which is provided by NetBeans or Eclipse, through which we can create our Java program using drag and drop facility also. In this session, you will learn the installation, compilation, and execution of Java program manually. Means you are going to learn the hard work. So for hard working, first of all, you have to install a JDK. What is JDK? That is Java Development Kit. As we know, JDK provides a compiler as well as an interpreter for compilation and interpretation of our programs. So there is a link from where you can download the JDK latest version. Otherwise, you can go with the Google also. There is a link, but otherwise you can find your JDK through the Google Chrome also. How you will do? You have to go for the Google Chrome. Now type JDK download. This is the first link which you have to use. You have to ensure that it will come from oracle.com, because the authentic websites are required. Otherwise, maybe some additional softwares will get downloaded to your system and it will create a problem for you. So oracle.com Java Technologies Java SE download. So click on it. Now there is a link. It's called as JDK download. Click on this JDK download. Now this will open all the standard edition JDK which is available to for your systems. Is there. You have to select the last one. This is Windows x64 compressed archive file. So click on it. Select I reviewed and accept the Oracle Technology Network license and then download it. It will take 1 or 2 minutes because it is not so big in size. As you see, after this you can close this. It is only 179.24 MB software. So it is taking like somehow 35 seconds. So it will download. As we can see that JDK has been downloaded. Now you can click on it and say show in folder. here is my JDK 15 Windows x64 bin.zip. So now what you have to do, you have to cross it or cut it, go in a folder which I had already created here and paste here. So this WinZip is been pasted here. Now what you have to do, you have to extract this zip file here only. So go into this and select WinRAR, or it may possible that extract here will come into the main menu only. So select it and extract here. So as soon as you will extract here, that it will ask for, like I had already, because I had already downloaded this JDK, so that's why it is giving me this error, or it is asking me to replace all. But if you are doing it first time, it will never give any error. So you will find this folder here. This will be having whole complete set of Java environment. So first of all, now we have what we have to find. We have to find the path of our Java bean, Java compiler. Sorry, Java compiler is available as the name is indicating, C:\Java JDK 15 then bin. So I will search Java C. So you find it, Java C. This is the path which I need. So collect it, select it, bin, click on it. Now copy it, Control C, or either you can use the Control C or you can use right click, copy. Because this is been needed in our path setting. So I copied this. Now close this folder. This was the first step. Where from where we got the path. So this is written here only. Download the latest version and copy it in the folder named as Java on your drive, like C drive or D drive, whatever your choice. Now you have to unzip the downloaded file, for example in the case of E:\Java, and find the path of Java C, which is the Java compiler. Generally it is available in bin folder of our JDK. When we unzip the downloaded file, you will find the JDK folder in which there will be a bin folder. Select the bin folder and copy the path which we will require at the time of setting path of our program. Generally, it is whatever the drive you are using where you are creating this Java folder. So I had created this Java folder in E drive. So E drive Java JDK 15, that is a folder name which comes itself, and then bin, which is having a Java C compiler. Now the another step is for creation of a program. So you have to close that Java folder. Now create a folder in drive of your choice where you can save all your Java programs. So for example, I had created Java program named as Java program onto the E drive only. And we have to create a Java program only using the basic editors like Notepad, Notepad++, or WordPad, or any other editor you can use of your choice, and then write a program and save it into a path like E:\Java program. It is in my case. This is a program, public class A, curly braces start, public static void main, string args, that is a square bracket open and close. It's an array brackets, curly braces start, system.out.println, brackets, hello, and semicolon, curly braces close, and again curly braces close. We will discuss this program further, but right now we want to understand how we have to compile and how we can execute it. So for creation of the Java program, it is necessary that you have to remember some things like Java is a case sensitive language. So please check the capital and small letters used in this program. So if all are the small letters, only S here in the string is a capital letter. S in the system.out.println is a capital, and rest all are the small letters. So you have to take care that where is the capital letter and where is the small letters. This you will know by your experience also. Another is when you save this program, save it with the name as class name .java. For example, in the above code, our class name is A. So my file name will be a.java. This is compulsion. So whatever the class name you are providing, your program should be saved with the name of the same class, plus it should be having an extension of .java only. Third step, now you have to set the path. As we know that we are doing hard work, we should set the path ourselves. There are other methods also to setting the password, but right now we are setting the path using our command prompt. To compile our program, we have to set a path to our Java compiler and interpreter. Now you have to go and run and type the CMD. It will open a command prompt window as in the following slides. So it is when you go into the run, you have to type CMD. CMD will be there. Open it. As soon as you will click on open, you will find another screen is named as command prompt. Now, what we have to do? We always come our own desktop folder or desktop path. But we have our Java program into a E drive Java program folder. So what have to do? We have to first shift onto the folder where we had stored our all Java programs. So how we have to do it? These are the steps for setting the path. Now get the location of the Java C, which is we had already get into the step number 1. That was e:/java/jdk15/bin. So we have to just type it with the path. As you see, there is a working directory c:/user/hp, but we have to change the Java program folder. Now shift the Java drive as you have to type e:, means I want to go into the E drive and then Java program. So first of all, I should change my drive by using the drive name preceded by colon and press enter key. After that, you will get a E drive. Then you have to type cd and whatever the folder name is there, and then press enter. You will shift on to that particular program folder. Now type the path command as set path equals to the path which we had get it from the step 1, that is e:/java jdk15 bin. This is in my case. You can save it anywhere as you want. So first of all, we will see this also, how we reach there. I will share my screen, then you can see easily. Go there, CMD, run, CMD. It will come here. Click. Either you have to press enter key or click on open. This is my c:/user HP. Maybe it will be differ in your case, but in my case, this is the same. So I have to first shift into the E drive because my Java program folder is onto the E drive. Now I have to type cd Java program. This is my folder name in which I had stored. I have to store my Java program. So this is the change of folder. Now what I have to do, I have to open Notepad for creation of a program. I will type public class A curly braces public static void main string args curly braces system dot out dot println hello, welcome to first Java class. Course close, same bracket, semicolon, that is a delimiter basically. Semicolon is a delimiter. So now you have to close all the curly braces which you had open. Now you have to save. Save as, go into E drive. Here I will get the Java program folder. It's my folder name. Now I have to type the file name. As I told you, whatever the class name we are taking, our file name, our source file name means Java file name should be same, a.java. So it's must, the class, the file name should be a, whatever the class name, and its extension should be .java. And now save. This is saved. Now come back onto your command prompt. See the directory dir. Here is a.java. Here is the a.java. Now we have to compile our program using javac a.java. So it is showing that there is no javac program because I had not mentioned any path here. First I had shifted to the directory, then I had shifted to the Java program, but I had not set up my path. So I have to set my path, set path equals to e:/java/jdk15/bin. Either if you remember this path, then you can type. Otherwise, I had made a copy of it. So right click on it, this place, and you will get the path e:/java. Now if you will execute, then it will not show any error. So javac is available now. There is no error. So I got a program executed without error. Now see, when you type dir command, this a.class file has been created. This a.class file is a bytecode. Now I want to execute this bytecode according to my computer architecture. So I will say Java A. As soon as I will press OK, so it will display the message which I had given in this program. Hello, welcome to first Java class. So this was my program, system.out.println. This is a command which is used to display the messages or variables value. So this was the procedure which we had been done. So every time whenever you want to create this program, you have to do this. So now we will see step by step. Javac, as soon as the path has been created, as we had seen into this figure, E drive Java program set path equals to e:/java jdk15/bin. After that, the path will be get setted. Now you have to compile your Java code using javac a.java. Compiler will display all the list of errors. So now you have to remove all the errors present in your program. After the debugging, Java compiler will create a file name .class, which we had seen in our case, it is a.java. Finally, now we have to interpret our Java bytecode using a Java interpreter as Java A. Here I will give A only, not the .class, because interpreter is automatically takes .class file and your Java program will get executed. So that's all about this installation, setting the path of. So I think this is this concept has been clear to all you. We will discuss using our NetBeans or ID in the next video. Thank you.